parks here at Fashion District Philadelphia in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It is a Schindler 5500 with, I believe, California Code compliant atoms. There's loud music playing, so hopefully I won't get a copyright strike. These doors would be glass, but they have an advertisement covering them up. Come on. Here it is. Oh, I think I just shut the door on somebody.
Street level.
Going up?
Elevator is going up.
Yeah.
Rest of the boat.
Third level.
Have a nice day.
Elevator is going down.
We'll end the tour on the street. The cab here, it's your basic mall elevator. Security camera in here. Left the cabinet open.
Street level.
There it goes, and that's it.